How to install Internet Explorer? It's very simple. Go to this address, internetexplorer.com/help. Click here or here, it's the same. Save the file okay. Now open the directory, right click, extract here. Go to Chrome settings using three dots on the top right corner. Okay. And then select extensions, settings and extensions. So let's do it. Settings and extensions. Click Load Unpacked. Go to our directory. Click and select folder. And now it's on our computer. Be sure that developer mode is enabled. Okay? Now go here and enable. And that's all. Now the Internet Explorer is installed on your computer. Now activate with the user and the password. Without activation, the software will operate under trial mode. Log in and it's working. Now be sure to click here on the details and change allow in incognito. Okay, thank you very much.